O mihangó ya gwethana na mucirithania munene igithiaga na mbere riuma rita ria mucirithania Aron Ringera kuigirirwo kabiru. Uthuthuria uria Ringera atabanirie ruhonge-ini rwa magoti mwaka-ini wa 2003 uria watanyite kuhukia ungumania ruhonge-ini ruru ni weyumiririe na njira nene.
Now, do you have any regrets over the purge of 2003?
None whatsoever. None whatsoever.
Would you say, Judge, that was your highest moment, or was it your lowest moment?
It was my highest moment, my most painful duty ever. Because there I was, looking at the conduct of my peers, the conduct of my seniors in the Court of Appeal, the conduct of my friends, 5 of whom, very close friends, suffered. People who had helped me along my legal journey. Gentlemen of honor, I felt personally pained.
Uhoro-ini wigie acirithania aria matigithirio wira kumana na riboti ya kamiti yake, Ringera ni etikirite ati ni mabatie kuheo mweke wa gwitetera.
Do you see now that from this context that was not a high moon?
It was not appropriate. I can see it. I can understand it. Like I told you, 5 of my very close friends were affected by this. I honestly believed that these judges would be given an opportunity to be heard by the Chief Justice, by the Reform and Development Committee. Our committee was a subcommittee.
Shege kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania bururi-ini kuria ari muikariri giti kwa ihinda inini, Ringera augire uyu ni umwe wa mawira maria maritu muno guku bururi-ini.
How did you leave the anti-corruption? I mean, on what terms? Terminal benefits or contractual terms? Or, on what terms are you in relation to the anti-corruption?
I just got congratulated for the 5 years served. I didn't ask for a package for the 5 years that were terminated.
Ringera auma wa kanana hari andu 13 aria meyumiritie kuhuranira giturwa kia jaji munene na ni umwe wa aria magire na mweke thutha wa igoti gwatha JSC ikuruhanie aria othe moritie wira uyu thutha wa guikia maritwa mao nja. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Commissioner.